Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Channel. مرحبا بكم بقناتكم الإنجليزية. Today we have lesson I like, I don't like. التعبير عما تحب وما لا تحب. Today we will learn how to talk about things we like and don't like in English. هذا الدرس جد مهم ونستعمله في حياتنا اليومية. This lesson is very easy and very useful in daily life. Let's start. The rule. القاعدة. نستعمل I like equals أنا أحب. I don't like equals أنا لا أحب. الصيغة I like plus noun or verb. I don't like plus noun or verb. Example, أمثلة. I like apples. I like bananas. I like milk. I don't like coffee. I don't like soda. أمثلة مع أنشطة يومية. I like playing football. I like watching TV. I like reading books. I don't like waking up early. I don't like homework. Dialogue. Teacher, what food do you like? Said, I like pizza and rice. Teacher, what don't you like? Said, I don't like fish. Teacher, do you like milk? Said, yes, I like milk. Teacher, do you like coffee? Said, no, I don't like coffee. Short text. مس قصير للقراءة. Things I like and don't like. My name is Adam. I like fruits and vegetables. I like apples and bananas. I like drinking milk and water. I like playing with my friends. I don't like coffee. I don't like waking up early. This is what I like and don't like. Exercise 1. 1. I blank apples. A. Like. B. Don't like. 2. I don't like blank. A. Milk. B. Homework. Exercise 2. I like blank. I don't like blank. And you? What food do you like? What drink don't you like? What activity do you like?
Review. Read sentences.
Great job! Now you can talk about what you like and don't like in English. Practice every day and make your own sentences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. English Channel. See you in the next lesson.